Welcome to the Roadrunner Scooters YouTube channel. Today we will be showing you how to replace your electric scooter's charging ports. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and if you find this video useful, hit the like button. Now let's get started. Here are all the tools we'll be using. Electrical tape, a set of Allen keys or hex bits, 14mm axle nut wrench, your multi-tool and a sharp knife. We also advise that you wear a pair of safety gloves before getting started. Lift your scooter and remove the deck cover. If you don't know how to remove the deck lid from your electric scooter, we have a separate video on that here on our channel. You'll find the link in the description below. There are two charging ports on the Nanrobot D6 Plus. This means we have two red and two black wires. Identify the faulty charging port and work with its wires. The number of charging ports on electric scooters varies from brand to brand and model to model. So if there is just one port, it probably means that you have only two wires, black and red. Next, find two yellow battery connectors and disconnect both. Now you'll need to carefully remove the electrical tape from the faulty charging port wire connectors. Now disconnect the wires. Before we move on, there is something important you need to do. You need to keep the wires apart in order to avoid short circuits. Once the old electrical tape is removed, unscrew the front light cover. Next, unscrew your faulty charging port. You will need a 14mm axle nut wrench and pliers. Take your new charging port and install it right back. After that, let's connect it to the battery. Remember, you should be wearing your safety gloves while doing this. Now give both connectors a gentle squeeze with your pliers. For safety reasons, you should cover the connectors with electrical tape. Be sure to completely cover these connectors. None of them should be left exposed. Next, reconnect your battery. Now turn on your scooter and test the new charging port. Also, check your voltage display, throttle controller and other basic functions to be sure everything is fully operational. Yep, it's time to organize the wires, and before closing the deck, make sure to inspect all wires and connections to ensure that no wire is pinched, disconnected or exposed. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Roadrunnerscooters.com is just a click away when you need your replacement parts for your scooter. We got all our replacement parts organized according to their scooter model, so you can easily find and purchase the parts you need for any Nanrobot model. Got questions about our scooters? Please contact our team at info@roadrunnerscooters.com. Don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for more tips and tricks from Roadrunner Scooters. See you in our next video.